In the heart of South America lies a realm of unparalleled beauty. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a testament to the wonders of nature. This magnificent forest is home to an incredible array of life, from the tiniest insects to the mightiest predators. Every corner of this place tells a story of survival, adaptation, and symbiosis. The Amazon River, winding its way through the forest, is the lifeblood of this extraordinary ecosystem. It provides nourishment, transport, and a source of wonder for all who visit. Exploring the Amazon with knowledgeable guides is a transformative experience. You'll learn about the countless plants and trees with medicinal properties, the secrets of the indigenous people, and the delicate balance of this vital ecosystem. The Amazon isn't just about nature, it's also about the rich cultural tapestry that thrives alongside it. Indigenous communities have called this place home for generations, preserving traditions and teaching the world about coexisting with nature, and as the sun sets over the canopy, a profound sense of tranquility washes over you. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving this natural wonder. The beauty of the Amazon is a gift to the world, but it's also a responsibility. We must protect it for future generations to cherish. Together, we can ensure this magical place continues to thrive. Subscribe for more amazing content on the wonders of our world.